If you're experiencing verification issues on MDLive, follow these steps to resolve them quickly and efficiently. This guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the personal information you provided during registration is accurate. This includes your name, date of birth, and address. Any discrepancies can lead to verification problems. Step 2. Contact customer support. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify your identity. Be prepared to verify your identity by providing additional documentation. This may include a government-issued ID or proof of residence. Follow the instructions given by customer support carefully. Step 4. Resubmit your application. If necessary, you may need to resubmit your application or verification request. Make sure to double-check all information before resubmitting to avoid further delays. Step 5. Follow up. After taking the above steps, follow up with customer support if you do not receive a response within the expected timeframe. Assistance can help expedite the resolution process. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve verification issues on MDLive. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.